Welcome back to my kitchen. This time, let's dive into a recipe that emphasizes fiber along with dried fruits and nuts. This dish includes many of the food groups we need for a well-balanced diet, promoting the nutrition we require in our daily lives. It's perfect for those interested in low-carb, high-protein diets, which many people may not fully understand. Let's cook an easy, one-pan dish inspired by Middle Eastern flavors. To begin, we need 1.5 cups of millet grain, which should be washed thoroughly. Next, gather the following ingredients: 3 to 4 grated carrots, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a few cardamom pods, some grated ginger, 1 finely chopped white onion. We also need half a cup of sliced almonds, half a cup golden raisin, half a cup regular raisin, half a cup of cashew nuts, half a cup of pomegranate, which is not shown here. Do not eat cashew nuts before we finish cooking as they are expensive. Alright, get ready to cook by bringing out a pot or heavy skillet. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next, lower the heat to low and fry the ginger until it's aromatic. Then, add the chopped white onion and fry until it's fragrant. Once that's done, add the combined spices all at once and stir for a few seconds to 1 minute. These spices are flexible. You can omit any that are unavailable. Now, pour in the washed millet and saute until it is well coated. After everything is combined, add a half cup of tomato sauce to the pan and stir. It's time to add an equal amount of vegetable stock or water. Wait until it starts to boil, then lower the heat to the minimum. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. While you wait, you can start washing the dishes. This way, you won't be too tired after cooking. Once the 15 minutes are up and all the liquid has been absorbed, add the grated carrots along with both the golden and regular raisins. Note that you can also use dried apricots or any dried fruit available in your area. Replace the lid and turn off the heat, allowing it to cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes using the residual heat in the pot. After that, transfer everything into a large bowl and fluff it with a wooden spoon. Once it has cooled down a bit, you can use your hands to fluff it further. Finally, add the pomegranate seeds and mix them thoroughly into the dish. At this time, you may add the juice of 1 lemon or lime to enhance the flavor. Don't forget to adjust the taste by adding a little salt and pepper. Finally, incorporate the chopped almonds. You can also add more toppings such as pumpkin seeds and chili flakes for an optional twist. You can eat this on its own, and it does not need to be reheated for a packed lunch. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen, our Persian-inspired millet. Please note that you can also prepare this dish with basmati rice or other grains like quinoa, barley, or bulgur wheat. Thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe at home and see for yourself. Before you go, if this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.